Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I just wanted to go through what I would do on a new site with posts that I suspect aren't ranking or aren't ranking well. Basically, how you can improve the existing content on your site to get it ranking better and showing up for more Google searches. So again, completely new site. It's my trial site. I posted this using one of not Julian. I don't know, using one of the old. It used to be a free content tool. And no, that's not what I want. It used to be a free content tool that is now paid. Usually I create my content a different way. I've definitely shown it in another video. But yeah. So I suspect that because the website isn't getting that much traffic, and you can see the overview here, right? Full report. Started about a month and a week ago. Seeded it with 10 posts. We just have 23 clicks. Not really a whole lot of impressions. Looks okay. But I suspect most of these posts haven't been updated properly or formatted. Anyways, the one that I want to look at right now is things to do in Charlottetown on rainy days. This is a city in PEI. Again, I don't even know if these posts get that much, if there's that much search volume overall. And this is just me on different tabs. So let me just check. But on a rainy day in Charlottetown, I'm sure volume spikes for content like this. Yeah, so 10 global volume. It's like really not that popular of a post. And I'm thinking like this is probably not the best niche. Anyways, I'll probably start another site on a different niche. But yeah, so right now, just to check this post, you would just want to pop it into Search Console. Recommend setting that up for every site you have. As you can see, we got a little bit of interest here. Maybe these are rainy days, and this is probably just Google reviewing the site and showing it to people to see how it performs. Anyways, I do have some clicks, and there's quite a few impressions overall. So it's not like it's terrible, and it's not like it's ranked terrible either, right? Bit of a decline in rankings coming in and out of the index, out of the SERPs. But overall, it's not like performance is terrible. Things to do in Charlottetown in the rain, it's on page 2. But things to do in PEI on a rainy day, it's not even optimized for that, so it might even be worth creating a second piece of content. Anyways, it's not terrible. Things aren't terrible. So what I would do for that, after looking at the data here, is go back to the site and kind of see why, just the post and see kind of why it's not ranking. Yeah, I don't know. So right off the top of my head, it's not really giving me like a whole lot. Even from like a travel perspective, it's kind of like unleash your creativity. It's too much. It's too much ChatGPT bullshit, right? So I would just say, what are some things to do in Charlottetown when it's raining? List 5 things, please. And then while that's going, I go back to this post. I'm going to check the search snippet. Do we even have an image? Yes. Oh yeah. Duh. Charlottetown. Yeah. So we do have some. It is optimized from just the on-page perspective. Unfortunately, I have missed these titles, but this is just, I don't think, the best. When you use ChatGPT, it's going to give you a lot of this, like explore electric boutiques, embark on a literary journey, stuff that just seems bullshit that I don't think people are really too interested in reading. So for me, at least from a travel perspective, like a traveler perspective, I would definitely try to not have headings like that. It just seems like just complete bullshit. Like no one reads that. Most people don't read that, and it's not at all relevant. You know, you could just have like check out the right, visit the art gallery, stuff like that. This one's okay. Gives you some spas here, but again, there's no this. I don't know why the spa section is so built out. Check out the grab a drink. It's a bit more relevant. Indulgent culinary. No. Stop for coffee. Local cafes in Charlottetown. Little trick there to add some extra keywords. Anyways, let's see what ChatGPT pulled out. Shopping. Yeah, so ChatGPT gave me a few more options. But right now what I'm going to do is say, can you link to these, oops, sorry, can you link to these cafes? It's probably going to say no, no it doesn't. So you say, yes you can, try again. There we go. So now we have a list, and are they real? Yes, they are. We have a list of links now, and this is just going to help boost authority and relevance for the site. So for example, Receiver Coffee Co. Boom, right? Casa Mia Cafe. Just go back to ChatGPT. Oops, and this is my other ChatGPT. Copy link address, right? Casa Mia Cafe. Boom, and you get the point, right? And then it did give us the list of other things to do in rainy days. So you just say, can you expand on each of the things to do on rainy day? And include a link if possible. And now it should give us the headlines. So it's just giving it as bullet points. So I'll just say stop. Good idea, but make them paragraphs. It's for a blog post. Don't forget to add the link. So essentially what you need to do is look at the post and see why it's not ranking. Obviously it was a terrible post. Not enough information, just terrible headings and everything. Like it doesn't need this many spas, right? I don't know why every spa is listed here. So I'll just go ahead and delete a few of those. And yeah, another thing you can do is go to Google and search for things to do in Charlottetown on a rainy day. And just again, grab the classic people also ask, and then you can just include that in your post, right? Your rainy day in Charlottetown, questions answered. Boom, boom. Add those. Use ChatGPT to answer these questions. Paste them in here, and then if you're lucky, you can get the people also ask. You can get featured on that in the search results. So I'm gonna update that post, like I said right now. You're gonna want to add this stuff, add the links, add images if you want. I'm gonna update that post right now, and then in a few weeks we'll visit back and see if any changes were made. But yeah, so that's how I would just update any post that isn't ranking, that you suspect isn't ranking. And this is something you want to do regularly. Go through old content, just verify its data on Search Console. Another thing you can do is look for internal links that are pointing to this post, but I'm not at that stage yet. Yeah, that's how I would update content I don't think is ranking. Hopefully this is helpful for you guys, and see you in the next video.